In a world where time is of the essence, efficiency is not just a goal, it's a necessity. And believe it or not, the heart of office efficiency beats within your filing system. Welcome to the first lesson under Mastering Office Filing Procedures, the importance of an organized filing system. I previously gave the course overview, and now we'll uncover the pivotal role a structured filing system plays in transforming your office into a productivity powerhouse. The value of organization. An organized filing system streamlines work processes, reducing the time spent searching for documents. This efficiency leads to better time management and productivity, as employees can focus on more critical tasks rather than sifting through piles of paperwork. An organized filing system is more than just neat shelves and labeled folders. It's the key to unlocking your team's full potential. It reduces search times, lowers stress, and lets your team focus on what truly matters. Enhance security and confidentiality. A well-structured filing system not only organizes documents but also secures them. By categorizing files and implementing access controls, sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access, minimizing the risk of data breaches. A well-designed system protects sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands, ensuring peace of mind for both you and your clients. Adaptability to change. A robust filing system is designed to grow and adapt to your organization's changing needs. Whether it's a shift towards more digital documents or an expansion of your physical archives, an organized system can accommodate these changes without disruption. As your business evolves, so too should your filing system. An organized structure is designed to scale with your needs, seamlessly integrating new documents and technologies without skipping a beat. Finally, improve compliance and record keeping. Many industries are subject to regulations regarding document retention and privacy. An organized filing system ensures that you are compliant with these laws, avoiding potential legal issues and penalties. Compliance is non-negotiable. With the right system in place, you'll navigate the complex waters of legal requirements with ease, keeping your operations smooth and penalty-free. The journey to a more productive, secure, and compliant workplace begins with a single step: organizing your filing system. Stay tuned as we guide you through creating and maintaining the perfect system tailored to your needs. Join us in the next lesson as we explore the types of filing systems and find the perfect fit for your organization.